Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now, in today's video, we are going to be looking at the top stocks that I am buying before 2026. We're going to look at stocks that I've gone heavy into in preparation for 2026. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Smash that like button, subscribe. But if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. It's fantastic. Private live streams, quizzes, lectures, group chat. But we teach you how to find those undervalued stocks. So check them out down below. And we have an awesome sale for 51% off. So check it out. Code Black Friday. I'll see you guys in there. And let's dive into the top stocks for 2026. Actually, the top stocks I'm buying before 2026. So let's dive into this and let's go. All right. So stock number one is going to be the GOAT, NVIDIA. This is the leader of AI. I have to have this on my list. I'm expecting a huge growth out of NVIDIA for 2026. And I already know the haters saying AI is overvalued. And I honestly see where they're coming from, right? They think it's this massive bubble. But I have the same mentality that the dot-com bubble has. Yeah, we could get some sell-off off of NVIDIA, and I'm going to be picking up some shares of that. But just like the dot-com bubble, we had the leaders of the sector rally up. Companies like Amazon performed extremely well the years following the dot-com crash. So I'm looking at it the same route. 2026, we could get that dip down for me to take that opportunity to buy NVIDIA even more at a cheaper price. Also, you can't argue with their earnings, beating earnings after earnings after earnings, $180 billion plus annually. That is incredible. We've seen these average historical returns are just as crazy, anywhere from 35 to 40% year over year. So extreme growth. And obviously, AI is growing at an astonishing rate. I think the demand for it is only going to continue. The average analyst is giving these absurd price targets for NVIDIA. Some I've seen as high as $500. I don't think it'll hit that much, but you never know down the road. So for me, stock one is definitely NVIDIA. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this, and let's dive into stock number two. All right, stock number two is another massive blue chip stock. This is Amazon. Amazon over the past year has seen a lot of volatility. We understand that Amazon is more than just it's more than just an e-commerce business. They're heavily invested into AI. They have one of the largest cloud providers in the entire world with AWS. They're bringing in over $690 billion annually, which is an absurd amount of money. These average growth rates are anywhere from 20 to 22% with some awesome price targets, as you guys can see. So for me, I really think that Amazon, we've seen a little dip down over the past couple of months. This could be a massive opportunity to pick up shares going into 2026 because you're buying at a discount. So I think Amazon is a perfect stock too. Let me know in the comments if you're buying Amazon stock. All right, stock number three is one that I've actually been investing into for a very long time, and this is Meta. Meta is also known as Facebook, but one of the reasons I love Meta is because of the products, right? You can't argue. One, they're heavily invested right now into AI ads, which is really incredible because they can target and pinpoint people on their targeting. And with the new Meta glasses coming out, I think augmented reality is the future. I think phones are people's, bread and butter right now. But I think in the next 5-10 years, people are going to be wearing those glasses where they don't even have to pull this thing out, right? They don't have to pull this out because everything's all on their glasses. I think that could be a future we totally see. And they're bringing in anywhere from 180 to 190 billion dollars annually. All right, stock number three here is one that I absolutely love. This is OKLO. This is a nuclear stock. Now, the reason I love OKLO is I think most people love AI, right? And I get it. AI is the future, but you got to power it. OKLO is a nuclear company. They're nuclear energy. They have a whole bunch of wild goals. It's definitely a high risk, high reward play. They're not profitable or anything like that. And their fundamentals aren't even that good, to be quite honest with you. But I really just think that this could be the future of homes and businesses is, they have these small nuclear reactors that help power it. It's a lot cleaner energy than fossil fuels. So let me know in the comments what you think about this one, because I think we've seen great growth out of it this past year, as you guys can see. But I also know that, what goes up often does go back down. So if we get a little pullback, I definitely would pick up some more shares because I've been investing into this one for a minute over the past year as well. So, OKLO nuclear stocks definitely coming in. All right, the next stock here that I'm buying is the one and only Tesla. But before we do, if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school and don't forget, sign up with Moomoo where you guys can learn and you guys can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and you guys can get up to 60 free stocks just by signing up. So check them out down below. But let's dive into the next one, which is Tesla. So Tesla, for me, is an absolute GOAT. I love it. They're the leader of EVs, of AI, of software, of autonomous driving. We all know Tesla for their cars, but I think where they're going to be, pivoting in the next years is going to be the robotaxi, and it's going to be the Optimus, I believe is what it's called, the robots that can do basic chores around the house. I think that could easily be the future as well. 2026 could be a huge year for that, where they maybe get a product or two, probably a product or a demo or something out there, which could help power it, help, show customers, help get pre-orders, stuff like that. Tesla's being called, honestly, the top car and tech stock for 2026. So I think with the growth of AI, it's not just the EVs, it's a lot more than that. All right, the last and final stock that I want to talk about is going to be Broadcom. Broadcom is a favored company due to the chips and software of AI, of their infrastructure, and with growth expected as data center demand rises. Now, Broadcom has seen some great fundamentals, honestly, over the past couple of years, and you can't argue with the stats, right? With over $51 billion of revenue in 2024. We've seen crazy returns of over 17,000% from 2010 to 2024. So over a short period of time, huge growth. I'm excited for this one. I think we'll definitely see some continuation out of some growth, but just like how I was talking about with AI, I think that AI could pivot if we get a little dip down. Could be a good company to pick up some shares. So guys, these are all the stocks I'm buying heavily before 2026. So follow. If you want to learn more about trading, check out our school and don't forget to sign up with Moomoo where you guys can get a ton of free stocks completely free. So we'll see you guys in there. Follow, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.